Hey guys, in this video, we are going to be setting up your business manager and your ads account. So we're actually going to go through the entire process. All you have to do is just kind of follow along and just basically do what I do. And you can set up your business manager and your ads account, and you can have it done within 5 minutes. So let's go ahead and get started. So below this video, I'm going to include a link for you to be able to go to this website, which is business.facebook.com, and this is the place you're going to go to set up your business manager. And from within your business manager, you'll be able to set up your Facebook ads account. Now, why do you need to set up a business manager? So if you are like an ad agency, or if you're a social media marketing agency, and or if you just need access to to your clients' ad accounts and pages, if you need to be able to run Facebook ads for them, or if you need to get access to people's pages, that's what the business manager is for. And you're also able to have more than one ad account if you need to have more than one ad account. If you need to access more pages, it also gives you more insights and reporting that are a lot more convenient. So even if you don't need more than one ad account, or if you don't need access to other people's and other companies' pages and Facebook accounts, it's still important that you have this, because you're going to be able to see so much more reporting and so more, see your conversions and statistics, and that's definitely what we need. So what you're going to do is, if you're already logged into Facebook, your page is going to look like this. Or if you're not logged in, there'll probably be a little login button right here. But what you'll do is you'll click on Create Account. And then what you're going to do is you're going to name your business or your account name. I'm going to go ahead and do that now. All right, and I'm kind of doing this for my wife's sign. She's a sign language deaf interpreter. So I'm actually going to set up a business manager for her Facebook account. And let's do, her name is Faith. So let's do that. And then her business email. I'm probably going to blur this out, but I got to type it in anyway. Okay. So enter your business name, your name, then your business email. You're going to click on Next. Then what you need to do is you got to enter all of this information. What I'll do is I'll pause the video real quick. I'll fill it out, and then I'll go to the next page. So you don't have to sit here and watch me fill all this stuff out. But once you do, it says this account primarily uses Facebook tools or data too. And then it says promote its own services, goods and services, or to other businesses. You are going to select promote its own services, goods and services. Unless you're an ad agency and you need to be promoting someone else's services, then you would select this. Honestly, no matter what, I would just probably select the first one. So I'm going to pause the video real quick. So once you enter all of that information, it's going to tell you that you need to check your email and confirm the email address that you put on that form. Because once you confirm your email address, you'll be able to have full access to your entire business manager and ad account. But you're going to come to a page like this. And as you can see, if the name of the company, which is for my wife's sign language interpreting, then you can update the photo if you want. And but basically what you need to do is go ahead and set up your ad account. What you'll do is you'll simply click on this button. Over here on where it says page, you believe that, let's see. Okay, so if you've already created a business page, you would simply go here, and you're going to add your business page to your business manager. This is to set up your ad account. And you don't need to worry about adding people. Let's go ahead and click on Add Ad Account. Okay, so here's some options. Add an ad account for your own. And this is the one that you'll use. If you're trying to use somebody else's access, you'll request access here. And then if you need to create a new ad account, actually this is the one you'll be using, is create an ad account. because unless you already own an ad account, you wouldn't be going through this process if you already, well, actually you would if you own an ad account already, but you haven't set up your business manager. That's where you would click here and you would add your existing ad account to your business manager. But for the purpose of this training, brand new account, you're kind of starting from scratch, you would simply click here, create an ad account. So let's do an ad account name. I'm going to type in just the name of that I chose for the account. And then you'll click your time zone, then your currency. And you will be setting up a payment method later on. And that's basically whatever card you attach to your ad account. Facebook will be charging that card for all of your Facebook ads. Let's go ahead and click next. Okay, let's do here. You'll select that it's my business. And just kind of go through the process. So let's go here. This is going to be to set asset permissions. So what you'll do is you'll simply click on the name. That's my wife's name. And then you'll do, then you'll just you can select them all and then hit assign. What it's doing is assigning you to this account to have full access. And you want to have full access. You select them all, hit assign. And that's good. So the ad account and this number that's going to pop up on your screen, that's going to be your ad account number. That's going to be kind of your account number. And then, of course, you'll need to set up a payment method. And what you'll do is you'll go to payment methods, which will actually be up here. But I'll close this. And I don't believe she has a page yet. But we're not going to worry about that right now. Just assuming that you've already created a Facebook business page or a fan page that we did in the previous training, what you'll do is you'll click on this button and then you'll select your business page that you've already created. And what it's going to do, it's going to add that as well. So let's go. Let me show you kind of how some of this works. We have business settings, and of course you can also access it there. You have different pages here. You have notifications there. This is your ad account. And then let's click on these little buttons right here where it says Business Manager. So you're going to have all of these options. You're going to have Creative Hub. What that means is that if you just want to play around and create a Facebook ad without actually going through the process of creating a Facebook ad, and you're just kind of wanting to get some practice in, or maybe you want to create a template or go ahead and create an ad, but you want to do it in the Creative Hub and maybe come back later and finish it and add it to your ad account, you could do it there. Of course, this is your Business Manager. This is going to be your Ads Manager. So when you need to run Facebook ads, you're simply going to click on this link right here. This is going to be for page post, and these right here I really don't ever mess with. I wouldn't even worry about it. Mainly what I would be concerned with is Business Manager and Ads Manager. Then you have some of these. I really don't mess with a lot of this. Obviously, you do need to be setting up a Facebook pixel. We're going to go over that in a training below, so you don't have to worry about that right now. And then here's all this. I'm not really concerned about that. I don't mess with it. About 90% of everything that you're going to see inside of your Business Manager and inside of your ads account, you will probably never use. So don't freak out. Don't get overwhelmed. Don't get, don't freak out. It's not a big deal. But over here, you will be messing with these, and that is going to be just your overall settings. This is going to be your business settings and then your billing. You do need to add a payment method. So what you could do is you can actually just click on billing. And you should be able to set up a payment method. And what you'll do is you'll use the credit card or the debit card that's associated with your business that you use for all of your business expenses. And you would just simply use that card. So let's go over here. So as you can see, you got a payment settings over here. What you'll do is you'll click on payment settings. And then what you'll do is you'll be able to go ahead and add whatever payment method that you want to use. And the way that Facebook works is they don't charge a card every single time somebody clicks on your ads, or every time that whenever you stop an ad. What they do is they have something called a billing threshold, where once it reaches like $25 and you don't really progress past that, they'll just kind of charge you at $25 at a time. Unless, of course, you just don't really do a whole lot, then they'll just charge you for what you owe. But then you can go over here. You can actually set an account spending limit. So if you don't want to spend over 1,000 or over 5,000, you can set that. Click on Add Payment Method, and that's going to be to go ahead and add a payment method to your account. Then you have these little settings over here. If you want to click on Pages, these are going to be the page that is associated with your ad account. And this is your ad account. And as you can see, this is all the information related to your ad account. Let's take a look at Business Manager. Let's click on that. Okay, so this is all the information related to your Business Manager. This is where you can kind of access everything. The overview of your ads that are going. This is like just basically an overview of your spend, your impressions. The word impressions basically means when somebody actually sees your ad, not clicks on your ad. An impression is when someone sees it. If you ever go to a website and you notice there's banner images and pop-ups and images that are ads, that's called an impression. It means it's in front of you. It doesn't, if you click on it, that means that it's an actual click. It means it's a conversion to a click. But that's not what an impression is. Of course, you have your information here, your impressions, your reach, how many people you've reached, your frequency, your cost per 1,000 impressions, your actions, like how many, sales or how many signups you have. Let's go over here to Ads Manager. And what I'm trying to do is just give you kind of a brief overview over everything. But until you actually go in and you start messing with everything, that's how you're going to learn. This is kind of a non-discrimination policy they have. Just click I accept. And also, okay, so we're over here in the Ads Manager, and they actually changed it up from the last time I was on here. And even when you are watching this training, depending on when you watch it, I mean, it may be even different from what it looks like right now. But basically, this is what your ad manager looks like, and you have these are basically an overview of the entire account. You have your account overview, which is going to show pretty much everything. It's going to show your entire reach, your ad spend, your clicks, where your traffic is coming from, your demographics, the age, men or women, when people are looking and clicking on your ads, on the map, where people are clicking from. Campaigns is going to be, it's called a campaign level, which means you're able to see all of the different campaigns that you have going on will be listed here. This is called the ad set level, which means that it's showing you might have 2 or 3 ad sets for one campaign. And I'm going to show you all about that. And then ads, these are the actual ads that are running. You're going to be spending a lot of your time either in the campaigns or in the in these. So that is pretty much how it works. What I want to do now is we're actually going to stop the training, and then what I'm going to challenge you to do is go ahead and click below. Below this video, there will be a link for you to sign up to set up your business manager, to set up your ads account. So go ahead and do that. Add a payment method. Accept the terms and conditions. Go to your email that you provided. Go ahead and click and confirm your account so you can have access to everything. Once you're done with all of that, go ahead and click below this video to click continue to go to the next training. And I'm actually going to show you how we are going to be setting up your Facebook ads, setting up your winning offer and getting everything going for you to start running some ads. So let's go ahead and get started.